Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So today is a rant day. Nothing frustrates me more than the amount of money that I have spent on quality tools, quality power tools, in order to make work in the shop more efficient and do quality work, right? So this is a chop or part of a leg vise to a bench that I'm building. And as you can see, I've got several hours now into machining. This is all of this for the cross brace that goes in here, right? Very close tolerances, very close tolerances. This hole, all right, that holds a pin, very precise. And today I was finishing up and I needed to drill 1, 2, 3 more holes, right? And that's for the shaft for the actual vise handle itself. Started out on this side and I drilled this big hole, 1.75 inch diameter, flipped it around and I drilled this hole. Same diameter, about 5/8 of an inch deep. The last hole, the very last thing I had to do on this for it to be done, well, almost done, was to drill this hole. So I checked, rechecked, verified, tightened, rechecked, and verified that everything was perfect on the drill press. From Jet, by the way. Got it all set up. This is an 1 3/8, and I used a Forstner bit on it. Speed was right. Everything was perfect. Again, I checked and rechecked. Everything was flat, square. It was awesome, right? Ready to go. Drilled from this side through to this side. I don't know if you can see, but it didn't drill straight. The table that this was resting on moved while I was drilling. Consequently, whole lot of work. Thankfully, I'm smart enough I can fix this and nobody will ever know unless they take it apart. But that's going to cost me another hour or 2 of work to fix this and then fix that drill press so it'll drill a damn straight hole. I blew a gasket today. JPW Industries. Do better. I've got your Powermatic table saw, your Powermatic joiner, your Powermatic planer, your jet drill press, and a Powermatic bandsaw. Every single one of your damn machines I have to fix so that they will work right. And I'm tired of it. Thousands of dollars I've given to you and your company to make something that works. Make it work. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you down the road.